morning, guys. September 29, 2022. This is where I got a call from a guy. He says he's got a tub shower valve that's leaking from one of the solder connections in the wall. I guess he did a little research on it. It says it's a mowing valve. So I told him we're going to have to open up the wall and get in there and shut the water off and see if I could, you know, remove the piece and clean it and put another solder piece in there, or change the valve, one of the two. So that's what I'm up against. He says he's got this closet all removed and for me so I can get in there. So I don't know, it's probably going to be a little tight fit in there, but that's what I'm up against. So go there and open up the wall, shut the water off, and see what we could do here. One way or another, we got to fix it, right? Can't leave the guy leaking. My truck's been in the shop for a couple of days. I finally got it back.
Turn left on Fisher Road.
Little flipping money pit. See that movie, The Money Pit? That's my flipping truck. Every couple of weeks it's something else. Ridiculous. Anyway, we're back on the road again, Miss Molly. We're back on the road again, Miss Molly. Yeah, you love working. Anyway, it's been some nice weather. About 60, 65, 68 during the day. Cooling off at night, getting down in the, you know, mid-40s. Next month, October, it's going to start getting chilly. I'll get you some shots if I can over there. I'm going to open up this wall here. That's the mark right there. Open it up a little area so we can get in there. Might be able to get it off and solder it, re-solder it maybe. Get the water off and drain it down here.
That one is, yeah.
Yeah, open them all up. Open up everything. We'll drain everything back outside. We'll make a cut here. We'll see if we can pop that off. Well, that's my plan, and we're going to try to cut it. And if I could pop it off and clean it, I could put a new piece in there and re-solder it. But if not, we're going to go to plan B. Hopefully we can get it out of there. Sometimes if it's really corroded, it won't want to come out. Holy shit, guy. Not even soldered. Wow. That's scary. That's real scary. That should be an easy fix. Look at this. You there?
Yeah.
Look at the... Not even soldered. That's the pipe that went into the valve. No solder. That's bad. We'll fix it. That'll be easy. That'll be an easy fix. Maybe.
Don't ever say that.
Huh?
Don't ever say that.
Yeah, as long as it's clean and I could, you know, reflux it and get some solder in there, I'll be fine. You can see the piece was never even soldered. The guy probably didn't put enough flux in there or something, you know? You didn't want to try tackling that yourself?
No.
How come?
Some things are just better left to guys to do it all the time, you know?
Yeah, I think you're right. That's
Taking a
what.
torch inside my closet, inside the drywall, and
That's all you need is a.
you know what I mean?
What's that?
He's like a real popular small engine guy on YouTube.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Palace?
Tarrell. Like Daryl, but with a T.
Oh, I don't think I've ever seen him.
Tarrell fixes all. He owns a small engine shop, and he does this. He does a skit at the beginning of every one of his episodes. I always fast forward to this.
Oh, Carol.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I watch him. Yeah.
He talks all fucked up like he's.
Yeah, he's got the weird teeth. Yeah, I watch him. Yeah, he's all right.
He's got some stuff in his shop sometimes, unique stuff.
This should work
How's YouTube
now.
doing for you? Seems to be doing well. YouTube for you?
What about it?
How's it doing for you?
Oh, all right, I guess. It's just fucking. It's like a hobby.
I don't know, man. Some of your videos get more than just a hobby. Views on them, at least.
Flipping hobby is what it is. Hobby from hell. Sometimes. Yeah.
Sometimes I make my wife watch some of your videos just for the hell of it. Just
Oh yeah.
Just
That's how you named your dog after mine?
No, my son named her.
Huh?
My son named her.
All right, so that should work. Hopefully. I mean, that thing was really kind of.
Just hanging there, huh?
Oh, lucky it didn't blow. You would have had a flood.
Yep.
You know how to shut the water off down there and then turn it back on? Or you want me to do it?
No, I got you.
Like, just turn it on slowly, like.
Let me go shut the outside faucet first.
Shut the outside faucet. Open up the top of that valve that you shut with a filter. And then when you open the valve, just open it a little bit till it fills and stops, then open it all the way, okay? We'll see if it leaks. Hopefully I was able to get it. Seemed like it went in there. We'll find out. Oh. Shut it off! Shut it off! Shut it off and open that valve! Outside. take on that back side for some reason. I'll take on that back side for some reason. I think it went that time. All right, let's try it again. Alright, worst comes to worst, I'll take it out, put a new valve in there. Go ahead, open it up. Should be fine now. Alright, water's back on. I don't see no leaks. I don't see no leaking. That's it. Slick as shit. No leaks. Alright, that's good. Alright, that's good. So I put a couple of pieces of ferrine in here. Screwed it here and there. It overhangs. Then I can screw this piece back. It's like 16 inches long. Put the piece back for him.